How to create chord diagram in Power BI. Click on the Create button. Click on the Paste or Manually Enter Data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Create a Blank Report option. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals. Search for Chord Diagram by VisioChart. Click on the Chord Diagram icon to add in the report. Click on the sample data. Select Measure and Dimension columns. Click on Format Visual. Open Nodes Properties section. You can use bidirectional or unidirectional option from Link Direction property. You can change width, node padding and link padding. You can use different link color options from drop-down. Close Nodes Properties section. Open Node Color Properties section. You can change node color according to your desire. Click on File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on Export button and export chart to PDF.